Hey guys, and welcome back. On this video, we're breaking out the PBC Jr and we're going to be smoking some chicken with some Aji Verde, which is Peruvian green sauce. So let's get going. So first things first, we gotta make our Aji Verde, or it's Peruvian green sauce. And I saw this on Food Network, and I can't remember what show it is now. I think it was, it might have been Triple D. A restaurant smoking some chicken and making their version of the sauce. This is a little bit different, obviously, but it looked incredible. So I thought I wanted to give it a try. So the first thing we're gonna start out with is one whole bunch of cilantro. And I am gonna rip in some of the stems with it because there's a lot of flavor in there. Somebody on my last video when I used cilantro actually commented on that, so we're gonna be using the stems. I got one jalapeno that I seeded. Get that in there. We got some crushed garlic. It's about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I got some mint leaves. Some cotija cheese, and this is a grated cotija. And if you can't find cotija, you can use grated Parmesan. We'll get that in there. Little lime juice. And what we have here is Aji Amarillo, which is just a yellow hot pepper paste. So aji is chili, or hot chili, I believe is what it stands for in English. I got this off of Amazon. Any international market should have this. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons, and it smells, I mean, it smells like ground peppers, but it also looks like baby food, which is funny. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of this stuff. Let's see what this stuff tastes like. Oh, that got some heat to it. Okay. Nice. Got some low-fat mayonnaise. I've seen it made with sour cream. Thought mayo would be, give it a little bit more to it. And a little bit of water to help break it all down. Get our lid on, and we're just gonna blend this up. All right, let's go ahead and scrape the sides down. Wow, smells incredible already. And I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt. Give it one more shot. All right, let's get this transferred. Let's see, it's got a nice, beautiful green color. All right, so there you go. Our Aji Verde, or Peruvian green sauce. Let's actually give this a try. Oh, wow. Give me some tortilla chips and we're done. Video over. This is incredible, just the way it is. But we got some chicken to smoke up, so let's get that on there. So what I got here is a whole chicken. I went ahead and just split it. It's gonna be a little bit easier to cook, a little quicker. We got our pit barrel hooks here, and I'm just gonna go right through the rib. That's it. That's all we got to do. And what I'm going to use is Harry Sue's all-purpose Slap Yo Daddy barbecue rub here. This is just going to be a little barbecue level of flavor. Make sure we get the armpits. All right, let's get these out on the pit barrel. Got the Pit Barrel Jr all heated up. I got some hickory in there. Go ahead and slip in our chicken. We'll let this go for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. We're looking for 165 in the breast, 170 in the thigh and leg. So we'll let this cruise. All right, so our chicken took about 2 hours, reached about 168, almost 170 at the breast, which is fine. We pulled it, we let it rest. So let's go ahead and slice it up. So I went ahead and sliced up the breast, left the thighs and the legs together. Obviously got the wings here. Now what I've seen is people just take it and they just sort of drizzle it on the chicken. But I've also seen it when people just use it more as a dipping sauce, where they just rip off the chicken, dip it. But we're gonna try it just like this. All right, let's give this a try. That's definitely got some spice to it, but that cilantro gives it a fresh, just sort of a fresh taste to it. The smokiness of the chicken. This is pretty nice, a little spicy. Again, you can serve this over steak or just as a dipping sauce, grill up some chicken, some steak, some pork chops. Just use it as a dipping sauce on it. I think it would work great. You guys definitely give this a try. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.